Hello guys, welcome to Solving Solutions. On today's tutorial, we are going to continue on the Python series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to import vector data to QGIS using the Python console. So we have from QGIS.core, that's where we are going to import the statement from the QGIS.core, import what the QGIS vector layer, right? Good. So that's where we're going to import it, and then we have the vector path. That's where the vector data is being stored. You can see that the path is being defined, and then you would see that we took the .shp extension, right? Good. When you create a shape file, you have about 6, at least 5 if I'm not mistaken. So we took the .shp, and then the vector layer, when it is being imported, we are going to call it river state because it's actually what the administrative boundary of the state. And then this is a conditional statement to indicate if the file the layer is valid or not. So we are going to copy. We come back to our QGIS. We have loaded the Python console. You can get it from plugins, and then you have the QGIS, the Python console. So this is how we want it to be, and then we paste the code we have written, and then we click on run the command, and then basically you can see that the boundary of river state has been loaded. And then if you double click, you come to the information. You can see the path that we had indicated on our script or on our code. So you see the sidecar files. Those are the other dependencies that enables the .shp load very well. Good. So you can see that it's validated. So we have shown you how to, on QGIS, using the Python console, to import vector data, especially a shape file. So we are still going to proceed with so many stuff we are going to use Python to do, integrating it with GIS softwares. So until we see you again, keep staying safe and have a fantastic time. Bye.